Hello and welcome to Pratics. Today I'm going to give you a tip on how to successfully cook your soft-boiled eggs. For this you will need a pot, water and eggs. Fill the pot with cold water. Be sure it's cold water until you've covered the eggs. Next, take your eggs and place them gently in the cold water. Put the pot on the stove at medium heat until the water boils. Once the water boils, your soft-boiled eggs will be cooked perfectly. And all of this without a timer or a watch. Now the water's boiling. Turn off the heat and immediately fill your pot with cold water to stop the cooking process, although your eggs will continue to cook inside. Leave the eggs a few seconds in the cold water. Turn off the water. All that's left to do is open and taste your eggs. You'll notice that the yellow is liquid and the white is firm and well cooked. Enjoy from Pratics. See you soon.